Spacious 2-bedroom 2-full bath 1,380 square foot condo with an open floor plan. This unit was just freshly painted throughout, new carpet throughout, new washer and dryer in the unit, large eat-in kitchen with new floor, new tile backsplash and newer appliances. Nice sized living room with sliding glass door which leads to oversized private balcony. Large master bedroom with stand-up shower with seat and large walk-in closet. Elevator building with 1 garage space included. Close to shopping, mini restaurants, movie theater, highways and much more. Owner is EO licensed real estate broker. No pets.